Technology can change our lives. It can also change our kitchens. How can you enjoy the pleasure of cooking when it creates bothersome smoke? A little smoke, a lot of smoke, even the heavy smoke created by stir-frying, no matter what, it can all be easily cleared away. Introducing Clean Air Tech comprehensive fume removal technology that provides a brand new experience. Integrated smoke capture, filtration and extraction, powered by a strong motor for force that is unsurpassed. High efficacy cleaning suction. Quiet operation that doesn't disturb. Your kitchen can become your sanctuary. This is the mission of bionic noise reduction technology. Every detail is carefully considered. No oil drips. No sharp corners. Changes to even the tiniest details provide a more comfortable cooking experience. Easy disassembly and cleaning. Everything stays completely clean and looking like new. Perfectly fits kitchen cabinets for an easy upgrade. This is how Fotile brings a new world of clean to the kitchen.